how to trade US30 using the market maker method. And as you guys know, the market maker method is a trading strategy that was made famous by Steve Morrow about 15 years ago or so. And essentially, the strategy itself is based on the manipulations created by the bigger institutions such as banks, insurers, and other financial institutions. And fundamentally, what we want to do actually is trade in line with these financial institutions, and this means that we need to pay attention to the traps they set, as well as buy and sell at the very same levels that they buy and sell at, right? And so guys, let's not waste any further time. Let's get straight into the analysis of US30, which we also refer to as Dow Jones. And as you guys can see, at this point in time, we are on the daily chart, and essentially, and in a nutshell, this is how we expect the market maker method to play itself out. Essentially, we want to see price giving us and this is in an uptrend, we want to see price giving us a double bottom and then giving us the first level of rise, and then it has to consolidate and then give us the second level of rise, consolidate again, and then give us a third level of rise, consolidate, and then from there give us a double top and then push further down in a crash, right? And we would look for potential sell opportunities on the second leg of that double top, right? So just to repeat myself, we want to see, as I said, price giving us this first W structure, and then it moving sideways, and then giving us level 2 rise, moving sideways, level 3 rise, moving sideways, and then giving us a double top and then a crash, and we would look for potential sell opportunities at that point, right? So we have a W here, we have level 1 rise, consolidation, level 2 rise, consolidation, right? Level 3 rise, consolidation, and then we have that double top. And then once price reaches here, this first structure would repeat itself, where we wait for the market to again give us this W structure and wait for the market to head up again, right? So in a downtrend, the opposite would then take place, where we would want to see the market giving us a double top, right? And then a level 1 drop, right? Consolidate, level 2 drop, consolidate, level 3 drop, consolidate, and then we want to see a W structure, and we would look for potential buy opportunities on that second leg of that W structure, right? And our stop losses would be somewhere just below, right? And again, once price reaches here, we would then wait for the market to give us another M structure, and the pattern would repeat itself, right? So just to repeat myself again, in a downtrend, we want to see the market giving us an M structure, right? And then level 1 drop, which is let me just see, those would be level 1 drop, just bear with me, level 1 drop, right? Consolidate, level 2 drop, consolidate, level 3 drop. After level 3, we want to see price giving us a double W structure, and on that second leg is where we would look for those potential buy opportunities, and we expect the market to push up very strongly and then repeat itself again, where at this point it would give us another M structure, and we would look for potential sell opportunities on that second leg of that M structure, just like we did here, right? I hope you guys can see that, right? I hope you guys can see that. Right. Anyway, let's look at the actual chart and see what exactly is happening here, right? So as I said, we are on the daily chart of US30, and on the daily chart we can actually see, just as I've described, the market has given us a W structure here. We should have looked for potential buy opportunities at this point, right? And our first level of rise would be here, that's level 1, and then we saw the market move sideways, right? And then price gave us level 2 rise, and then we saw the market move sideways again, and then it gave us level 3 rise again, and the market gave us this pattern, right? So we have level 1 rise, consolidation, level 2 rise, consolidation, level 3 rise, consolidation, and after level 3 rise, right, we want to see price giving us a double top, and we look for potential sell opportunities on the second leg of that double top, and the anticipation is for the market to actually from that level move further down to around this level over here, which is a very strong level of support, right? I hope you guys can see that, right? I hope you guys can see that. So what I'm saying, in other words, is that chances are, based on the market maker method, we are going to see the market actually move further down to around this level. And at this level, we may then again see the market start from scratch by giving us this big W structure, right? And we should look for potential buy opportunities, in my very humble opinion, on that second leg of the W structure. I hope you guys can see that. And I'm just going to repeat myself just to make sure that you guys understood exactly what it is that I've just said rather. And like I said, guys, right, price or the market gave us this structure, right, and we were supposed to look for buy opportunities at that point, and then it gave us level 1 rise, and then it moves sideways, right? This is level 1, and then from here the market gave us level 2 rise and then consolidated, moving sideways, and then from here, right, we got level 3 rise where the market gave us another consolidation, right? And then after level 3, what we want to see happen is price breaking out to the upside and then giving us a double top rather. And on that second leg of the double top is where we want to look for those potential sell opportunities, right? So as I said, there's a very big chance that we may see the market move further down to this level, and this level is also a very strong level of support, as you guys can see. And at this level again is where we may potentially see the market give us another W structure, and this whole process would repeat itself again, right? And we would look for potential buy opportunities, in my very humble opinion, as I said, on that second leg of that W structure, right? So as I said, that's the market maker method essentially, and that's it as far as my analysis goes. But from here, let me just go down to the H4 chart and let's see what's happening on the H4 chart. Let's have a look. Remember, on the daily chart we said that we expect price to actually move further down, but now that we're on the H4 chart, we can see that price is actually at a very strong level of resistance there, as we had multiple rejections in and around that area. And chances are, as I said, guys, we're gonna see the market actually move further down. But just bear in mind that we're still very much in earnings season, and earnings always trump technical analysis. And as much as I'm saying that chances are we are gonna see the market move further down, just note that we also have this candlestick over here, and it is, as you guys know, a bullish candlestick with a small body and quite a long upper wick, right? And we know that we have a lot of liquidity there, right? We have a lot of liquidity there. But because we're in earnings season and it's very unpredictable, right, we may potentially also see the market come back there for one last stop hunt, right, and then potentially push further down, right? But for the most part, myself personally, I will be most definitely looking for potential sell opportunities as opposed to buy opportunities. And ideally, just to zoom out, ideally I want to see price move all the way to this level over here, which is a very strong level of support. And also we can see that we have what seems to be a triple top there, with this side being the first leg, this being the second leg, and this being the third leg. And it started here, and we may see the pattern, continue to move further down by closing below the neckline, which is over here, head back up to the neckline to test it, and at that point again we may see the market move further down to close pretty much in line with where it had started. And that is it, guys, as far as my analysis goes, and peace out.